mixing everything. Alright, y'all. This is Brandon with Hynes Pro Services. And this video is going to be a little bit different. My daughter's going to show us, and we're going to show y'all how to make slime. I know some parents probably hate this. I know we've had our spiels with it. But I just thought it'd be something neat and fun to do. You know, something different for a lawn care, window cleaning channel to do. So we're just going to do this just because it's something fun to do with the kids.
Okay.
Alright, so what do we need, Addie?
First we need this.
You're Addie?
No, this.
Okay.
Alright, well sit down. So we got Elmer's school glue. All it is just regular white school glue. And we're going to pour that in a bowl.
Here's my bowl.
And then in this one, so you'll need Elmer's school glue, and you'll need a box of borax, which, if you don't know what borax is, it's laundry detergent for clothes. And you just put a little bit of borax in hot water and mix it all up, and then that's your activator that activates the slime.
Alright, well we do this first before we do that.
Oh, and you'll need some,
Something to mix with, it don't matter.
Yeah.
Shaving
we're going to
cream,
use shaving cream
and then
Mine.
and something to mix it with. What's the
just add a
shaving
good
cream for?
amount.
This
Make
one
it fluffy.
here.
The shaving cream makes it fluffy.
And then if you want color, you can add color.
I really didn't want fluffy.
What color do you want to
That's
do?
alright.
I guess Ellie
I'm
wants.
blue.
I thought you wanted pink.
It's okay.
I'm blue.
Alright, well, we'll do blue. And then you just get whatever color you want. You can use paint and put in there.
Or food dye.
Close that door for me.
And you just mix it. Haley, that's enough, baby.
Is
Really
it?
cute color. Well, I mean, depending on how dark you want it. If you want it,
It's okay if we bump into each
well,
other.
then you can add more as you go if you want it more dark.
So all we're doing is mixing our color and our school glue and our shaving cream together, and then we'll put the activator in it here in a minute.
How do you mix them?
Well, it don't matter because red makes pink.
She's making what she wants.
Pink and
We're
white's
making
red.
ours. I think we want it darker.
No, I want it darker. It's hard for me.
Okay, right here.
I
Hold on.
just leave my room and you got us that. It's okay if we get this table dirty.
Yeah, we can wipe it off in a minute.
I hate that noise of Addie's bowl.
Yeah, well, you'll be alright.
I'll just try this.
So basically, we're just trying to get it mixed up to where we get a solid color.
You can add as much as or less as you need. How dark you want the color depends. If you want red though, you need to use food dye because red paint won't do it.
And you can use food dye. Food dye is probably better, but this is just what we got. We're out of food dye because she makes slime all the time. Quit.
Ellie,
Alright, so what's the next step, Eddie?
you take the borax and you put a little bit at a time so it don't get hard.
Do it all.
Alright, so you just put a little bit of borax at a time. That way it don't harden up on you too quick.
And you just mix it.
Just keep mixing.
Me?
No, I got it, baby. Golly, it does get hard, don't it?
Yeah, and then you just add as more as you need.
It's okay if
And it only takes like a
It's okay
teaspoon
if
of
we get our
borax for
hands
one
dirty.
thing.
We can wash them. When we want to
Oh,
sleep up, oh, we put this stuff in them.
And then
as you can see, it's getting hard now.
once it gets a good consistency, you can put your hands in. But only one.
I'm going to put my hands in. Two. Like you, Daddy.
Okay, hold on.
Here,
And
pour
we
some.
get them dirty.
And if you overactivate it, add glue. And it'll eventually mix in.
Alright, so once it gets so gooey you can't do nothing with, then you gotta do it with your hands.
It's okay. do a little bit, Mommy. Yeah.
Mine's
I'll do
super nasty. Why is it like that?
I should
You
do a little
didn't
bit.
add enough here.
Don't dirty my hands on this little slime. Can you just go when you do? I should put lemon on.
And if you add more glue, you just have to do it until it dries up. And
This is definitely messy. That's why parents don't like this stuff.
I'm about to go wash my hands.
That's fine, you can.
I had to crawl. I don't want them to see my hands.
Hold on, Bug. Go to use the sink in the kitchen.
My hands.
Bug, go use the sink in the kitchen. Thank you. So ours is fluffy.
so it isn't going to stretch as good as.
It won't be as stretchy, but you can make it different ways to make your slime different.
I think I overactivated mine a little. But
I did too. Mine's bouncy like a bouncy ball.
Yeah. But if I overactivate it, you can microwave it, let it cool down for 2 minutes, and then add more glue. See, yours is better than mine. I overactivated it. This is the first time you've made it.
Mm-hmm.
Good for the first time you've made it.
Yeah, I didn't know what I was doing. I just got lucky because you just showed me what to do.
It's better to be hard than sticky.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I mean, if it's sticky, it's just technically glue. If it stays that sticky, you have to keep on activating it. And if you keep it sticky, it'll melt if it's hot in the room.
Don't it mush back out?
Yeah.
Like,
Well,
get
mine
watery.
won't, because it'll take a while for mine. Because I put too much activator, but
Can you not add glue and make it back
yeah,
right
that's
again?
what I'm doing right now.
We'll add a little to mine too.
You know, glue, and well, depending on what slime you make. If it's jiggly slime, you can add water. I have one similar to this one.
I think I might have added a little too much that time.
Or you can just reactivate it if you add too much, which it'll eventually mix in. So mine's getting pretty good. I think after this I'll be good. Let me see yours. You can tell mine still has glue that isn't mixed in. That's good. If you want to, you can take it and get the stuff off the sides of the bowl, and it'll.
Ta-da! Alright, so let's do a review. Get you a bowl. pour you some of this in there, a little bit of shaving cream, and a little bit of borax, which this don't say borax, but borax comes in a cardboard box, and it's basically washing detergent powders. You just put that in a hot cup of water, mix it up, and you just add a little bit of that at a time once you get these two mixed up, and that activates it. I hope this video was helpful, and if nothing else, you know, maybe you can sit down and do this with your kids. It'd be something fun to do with them. Alright, peace. Here, hold that real quick with one of your hands.
I'll hold it.
Alright, so I forgot to add this, but we got our slime, and finally I got mine like I want it. I like it to where it's kind of firm, but also it gets goopy if you don't mess with it.
Howdy.
So you can watch, if you give it just a minute, like it'll stretch out.
And I have to roll these sleeves up. So.
And if you like set this on a table and leave it laying on a table, it'll turn to like a puddle. And that's how I like mine. That's when I feel like it's right. But then if you ball it up and wad it up, it's kind of like a bouncy ball. Alright, hope this was helpful.